Students, welcome back to our science class. So in this video we are going to learn the remaining part of fourth lesson. The fourth lesson is science in everyday's life. So we have learned about milk, food materials, and now the third Roman letter, baking of bread, biscuit and cake. So in the previous class we have learned about methods of cooking, right? So baking is also a type of method. It is a method of cooking. So we use dry heat to bake. So which type of heat? Dry heat. So underline this, we use dry heat to bake. So bread, biscuit and cake are some examples of baked food items. So these are the examples of baked food items. So we can able to bake bread, biscuit and cake. Okay. So first we are going to see about bread. So bread, it is a common food item prepared by baking the dough. Okay. So it is a common food item. It is prepared by baking dough. It is an important sources of energy for sick people. So if anyone is sick, what we will do? We will give bread to them. So it gives energy for the sick people. It is also one of the ancient foods made by humans. Okay. So in ancient periods, ancient people, they baked bread. Okay, it is their food items in those days. So bread is a low fat food. So it has low amount of fat. Bread has the nutrients required for normal development and good health. So it has some nutrients for normal development and good health. And to bake bread we need wheat flour, yeast, water, sugar and salt. So if we wanted to bake a bread, what we need? We need wheat flour, yeast, water, sugar and salt. Okay, wheat flour, yeast, water, sugar and salt are the items we need to bake bread. Okay, so bread, it is a common food item prepared by baking the dough. It is an important source of energy for sick people. So sick people, if we give bread to them, they might they will get a sources of energy. Okay, so it is also one of the ancient food item made by humans in those days. And bread, it has a low fat in it. Okay, the content of fat is very low. And bread has the nutrients required for normal development and good health. So it has some nutrients which is required for a good health. Okay. So to make bread we need wheat flour, yeast, water, sugar and salt. So these are the important ingredients we need to bake a bread. Okay. So do you know, bread spoils 6 times faster when we kept in fridge than at room temperature. So if we keep a bread in fridge, it spoils 6 times faster. It gets spoiled 6 times faster than at room temperature. So it is better to keep at room temperature. Okay. Next we are going to learn about biscuits. So biscuits is a small flour based baked food. Okay, it is a small and it is flour based baked food. It is generally made of wheat flour, not in rice flour. It is made by wheat flour or oats and sweetened with sugar. Okay, so biscuits are generally made with wheat flour or oats and some sweetened agent with sugar. Okay, the main ingredients of biscuits are flour, sugar, butter, water, milk, baking powder and some flavors. These are the main ingredients to bake a biscuit. Okay, the main ingredients of biscuit are flour, sugar, butter, water, milk, baking powder and flavors. Okay, so if we mix all these things and if we bake, we can easily get biscuit. Okay, biscuits are two types. One is salty or another one is sweet. So some biscuits have cream in between. Right, we call this biscuit as cream biscuit, right? So some biscuit have cream in between. Biscuits are either salt or sweet. Then third one is cake. So cake is a baked dessert. It is a dessert. It is like a sweet bread. So we can also call cake as a sweet bread. So there are many varieties of cake with specific ingredients. So we can able to see many varieties of cake, right? We can able to see black forest, white forest, red velvet cake. So many varieties of cake can be seen nowadays. So we use cake during celebrations. So in which type of celebration we use cake? Mainly for birthday, for wedding days, we cut cake, right? So the common ingredients of the cake are flour, sugar, eggs, oil, baking powder and flavoring agents. These are the ingredients used to bake a cake. What are the ingredients? Flour, sugar, eggs, oil, baking powder and flavoring agent. Okay, try to answer this. So bread, first one, bread is dash fat food, low or high. So bread, it contains low fat food. So tick low and write low in this dash. What is the spelling of low? L-O-W, low. L-O-W, low. L-O-W, low. Okay, the second one. Biscuits are made from dash. Wheat flour or rice flour? Yes, wheat flour. So tick this wheat flour and write here. Wheat, what is the spelling of wheat? W-H-E-A-T, wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Flour. F-L-O-U-R, flour. F-L-O-U-R, flour. Okay, third one. Dash is associated with birthday celebration. Cake or biscuit? Cake. So what is the spelling of cake? C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Okay. The next topic is gadgets. So we have learnt about milk, food materials, then baking of bread, biscuit and cake. Now we are going to the last topic, gadgets. Okay. So what is the meaning of gadgets? So gadgets are electronic device. Small electronic device are known as gadgets. Okay. So think of the electronic devices we use every day. So every day we use electronic devices like laptop, phone, camera, pen drive and speaker, right? The phone that we use, the camera that comes with us on every vacation, the TV that we watch for fun, all these devices that we use are called gadgets. Okay, as I told in the beginning itself, gadgets are small electronic devices like camera, like laptop, phone, pen drive, speaker. Okay, a gadget is a small electronic machine or device which does something useful. So we get some useful things from gadgets, right? So with the help of phone only nowadays we are learning the lesson. So gadgets are very important nowadays. Number of gadgets have changed our lives. So they make our life enjoyable. Okay, the examples of gadgets are laptop, phone, camera, pen drive and speaker. Now we are going to learn about smartphones. So everyone might have smartphone, right? So apart from communication, smartphones have the ability to access the internet and store files, take photos, track location and much more. So with the help of smartphone, we can able to access the internet, we can able to store files, we can take photos, we can track location and much more. So apart from communication, we can also able to use the smartphone for the purpose of internet, and we can store files, we can take photos, we can track location and many things we can do by using a smartphone. So smartphone is very important in our daily life. The next second one is portable music player. What is the word portable means? Portable means we can carry anywhere. Okay, so it stores and plays thousands of songs. So with the help of this portable music player, we can carry this and we can hear many songs, thousands of songs anywhere and anytime. Okay, So this is also very important and very useful gadgets. And the next one is tablets. So people use tablets to read books, play games and watch videos. So nowadays people are using these tablets mainly for playing games. We can also use these tablets to read books and watch some interesting and important videos. Okay, so this tablets also useful in our daily life. The next one is pen drive. So this is the picture of pen drive. So what this pen drive will do? It will store many files and we can transfer any file from one computer to another computer. We can use this pen drive. Okay, it is a small gadget used for storing and transferring any type of file in or from a computer. Okay, we can transfer any type of file by using this pen drive. Okay, the last one is electric torch. This is the picture. So portable hand electric torch, electric light. So torch is used to provide light in the dark places. So for what purpose we use this torch? We use this torch to light in the dark place, right? So when current gone or when it is switched on, when it is switched off, we use this electric torch. Okay. So in gadgets, we learnt about smartphones, portable music player, tablets, pen drive and electric torch. Okay. So now try to answer. So you are going to write this. You are going to tell the name of this gadgets. Okay. So what is the first picture? Camera. Yes. Write the spelling of camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. The second one is headphone. Yes. What is the spelling of headphone? H-E-A-D. Head. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. Headphone. H-E-A-D. Head. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. Headphone. And the third one is remote. What is this? Remote. R-E-M-O-T-E. Remote. R-E-M-O-T-E. Remote. And the next picture is speaker. What is this? Speaker. S-P-E-A-K-E-R. Speaker. S-P-E-A-K-E-R. Speaker. And the last image is, what is this? Yes, webcam. W-E-B. Web. C-A-M. Cam. W-E-B. Web. C-A-M. Cam. So the first one is camera, second one headphone, third one remote, fourth one speaker and the fifth one is webcam. Okay. Now we are going into the evaluation part. Okay. So first one, choose the correct answer. First one, primary source of energy for the young ones of some animals is, what is this? Milk, fruits, water, fruits or milk. What is the correct answer? Yes, milk. Milk is the primary source of energy for the young ones. So, tick milk. Second one, vitamin present in milk that helps us to maintain our bones is vitamin D. Tick vitamin D. So, vitamin D is present in milk which helps us to maintain our bones. Third one of the ancient food items made by human is noodles, cake or bread. Which one? Yes, bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Fourth one. Dash is a raw food. Which is the raw food? Cucumber, chapati or bread? Cucumber is the raw food. Okay. Fifth one. A gadget that plays songs is called dash. Pen drive, camera, music player. We can listen songs from music player. Right. Tick music player. Okay. So first one is milk, second one vitamin D, third one bread, fourth one cucumber and the fifth one is music player. Turn the page. Next, fill in the blanks. What is the first fill-ups? Cheese and paneer are made from dash. Cheese and paneer are made from milk. M-I-L-K, milk. M-I-L-K, milk. M-I-L-K, milk. Second one. Nutrients are made ready for digestion by dash. cooking. If we cook any food, it will be very easy to digest. Okay, so the second answer is cooking, C-O-O-K, cook, and you have to add ing to this, cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Third Roman letter, match the following. Okay, first one, music player. What will music player will do? It will play music. So write 1 near play music. Finished? Second one, smartphone. What the smartphone will do? It will communicate with the world. Write 2 near communicate with the world. Okay. Third one, electric torch. So electric torch, it provides light. So 3 near provides light. Okay, next, fourth one, pen drive. So by using pen drive, we can store data. Okay, the fourth one is stores data. Okay, the fifth one, tablet. So tablet, it is useful to play games. Okay, fifth one is play games. So music player plays music, smartphone communicates with the world, electric torch provides light, pen drive stores data, and the tablet is plays game. So the number for match is 2, 4, 5, 3, 1. Okay, so we are done with this evaluation part. So next, answer the following, and this detailed answer will be given in the next video. Thank you, students.